welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the January Lumi boxes. So I'm going to combine today's video with both boxes just because it is so late in the month. So if you want to see what I have got in this month's boxes, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and choose that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. If you would like to purchase a Lumi box yourself, I do have an affiliate code with them. It is Pure Lottie 10 and it will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumi box. Now, if you do use my code, then I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I do truly appreciate it. It is very late in the month with the pandemic here in Australia. It has been going quite crazy over on the East Coast, which is where the Lumi boxes are based. So it was delayed quite a bit, and then for the actual shipping time, it did take a little bit as well. So I'm going to do both boxes in today's video. I'm going to try not to make it too long for you guys, and I'm just going to unbox the product for you today. So this month the base box has come in this pink box. Now I did actually already pull two products out of this, and that was because it was two replacement products from the December base box. So let's jump into what's in this one. So for the month of January, the theme is 2022, the year of you. So I do really like that theme. If you haven't checked out my vlog number 3 for 2022, then definitely go and check that out because this year is a big year for me and I have a lot going on and it is my year of me. So I really like that they have also named their Lumi box the year of you as well. So jumping in, the first product that I have here is from Vita Ollie and it is a focus oil roller. So it retails for $24.95 Australian dollars and is available from vitaollie.com.au. So it looks like this. It's just a little tiny tube like this. Now it is made in Australia and it says it instantly improves the ability to focus and concentrate. It promotes clearer thinking and tackles brain fog and boosts productivity. So it sounds pretty good. It's just a 5 ml little thing and it has a little roller ball on top there. Ooh, it smells quite nice actually. It's yeah, peppermint, that's what I could smell in it. So it's coconut oil, rosemary, a lemon and peppermint. So you can definitely smell the peppermint in this, but it smells pretty good. So I'm excited to give that a try and see if it really does work. So the next product that I have in here is from Barry M. And it is a deep glow dark bronzer. So this retails for $16.95 and is available from barrym.com.au. And it just looks like this. Now it is a dark bronzer, so I'm not unfortunately going to keep this one for myself. I will pop it in a future giveaway just because it is so deep. I don't want to open it and use it on myself when it is going to be way too dark for me. The next product that I've got is from Chella and it is a lipstick pencil. So this is $30 Australian dollars and is available from chella.com and it's in the shade Wine. So this is the shade here. Now, I'm not actually going to keep this either, so I'm not going to fully open it, but I'll open the box and show you what the actual pencil looks like. So this is what it is. It looks like sort of like a jumbo crayon type thing, but I'm not going to take the plastic off of it because I'm going to pop this in a future giveaway for you guys just because I have so many lip products that I'm trying to declutter, not reclutter my lip drawer up. So yeah, I will pass this one on to you guys. I do like the Chella brand and I think this shade is really pretty. So I think one of you guys will love it in your giveaway. So the next product is from Mary Grace and it is the Mask Applicator Brush. So this retails for $15 Australian dollars and is available from marygrace.com.au. So it just comes in a packet like this. And let's open it up and have a look. Oh, okay. So it's just a nice light pink brush just to use when you are applying masks. I think that's really cute. I don't know if I would pay the $15 for a mask brush. A lot of the masks that I use, like the Sand and Sky one, they all come with their own little brush anyway. But this is actually paired with the very last product in this month's base box. So the very last product in the base box is also from Mary Grace, and it is the Pink Clay Sensitive Face Mask. So this retails for 45 Australian dollars and is available from marygrace.com.au. So I love Mary Grace's packaging. I think it's absolutely stunning. Now I have got, this oil has leaked a little bit everywhere, so it is, you know, on the packaging and everything too, but that's okay. So this is what the actual container looks like of the mask. Now, if you're not aware, I am very sensitive, so I'm only trying skincare in recommendations with my dermatologist. So I will pass this on to a friend or family member to use. But let me open up, have a quick smell. Okay, it comes with a little applicator brush as well, but it has a actual seal on it. So I've just taken the seal off of it. I'm gonna have to look it up. I thought a mask would be wet. This is just like loose powder in there. Okay, so I've just looked at the instructions for this. So it is meant to be a powder, so that is okay. But what it is you actually take a scoop of this. So I think that's what this little brush is for. And you put it onto a mixing palette with some water and mix it up to create a paste, and then you apply it to your face. So I will pass this on to a friend or family member to try out, but I'll also give them this little applicator brush as well to go with this. I think that will be a nice little gift for them. So for this month's base box, it retailed for 49 Australian dollars and the contents were worth $131.90. So amazing value for money. Unfortunately, there was nothing really that I wanted to keep in this month's box. And I'm sort of a bit disappointed in the base box because I do say that I am a makeup lover, not a skincare lover, and I feel like as though the main product of the box was skincare, so it was a bit disappointing for me. I'm just hoping that you guys will love it in the giveaways, and I'm hoping that the premium box will make up for it. So jumping over to the premium box, again it came in one of these pink boxes. I'm not sure if they've run out of their actual Lumibox boxes because normally it comes in like really nice printed ones. It comes with, you know, the bubble wrap, the little thank you card, and then the list of everything as well. Okay, so jumping into the premium box, the first thing that I have here is from MCO Beauty, and it is a false eyelash applicator, and it just looks like this. Now, I don't like these styles, so I'm not going to keep that. I will pop it in a future giveaway. I actually really like just these ones where they are in the shape of your lashes. I'm definitely not a fan of these little plastic ones. This is how I did try and learn to start off with when I first got into makeup, and I just found that these were a little bit harder than just using standard lash tweezers. The second product which goes in pair with that is also from MCO Beauty, and it is pre-glued false lashes. So it is a full set. It doesn't have a name, it just says it's wispy lashes. So this is what it looks like, and this one retails for 16 Australian dollars and is available from mcobeauty.com. I think I forgot to mention this was 8 Australian dollars and also available from mcobeauty.com. So I'm not going to use these. They are really pretty. I don't know how I feel about them being pre-glued. I've never actually used any pre-glued lashes before. I normally just, you know, I use my own glue to attach them. But I think that these would go nice together. So if I'm putting this one in a giveaway, I think this needs to go with it, just so then it is a paired item. So I will keep this for you guys. The next product is another Chella lipstick pencil, which we did get one of these in the base box. This one is in the shade Mauve, so it is more of like a brownie color. Again, I'm not going to keep this one. As I said, I've got so many lip products. that I need to declutter my lip products, and adding another one in right now isn't going to help. So I will pop this in a future giveaway, but this retails for $30 Australian and is available from Chella.com. Now it does have on here some instructions on using these as well. It says apply Chella's lipstick pencil by outlining the lips first and then filling them in. Press lips together to blend and get an even application, then reapply as needed. So I like that it's nice and simple and easy. I think this would actually be really good for someone who doesn't want to put a lot of effort in, or wants to have just the one product and not like a lip liner and a lipstick. Or even if you're learning, I think this is a good one to start off with. The next product that I have in here is from Amorous Beauty, and it is a hairstyling wand. Now this retails for $29.95 and is available from amorousbeauty.com. So it is just in packaging like this, and I have a feeling this is exactly like the Slick Sticks that I currently use, which we did get in the Lumiboxes probably about a year ago now. Yeah, it looks almost identical. So it is just a styling wand to get rid of your wispies. So it comes on sort of like a mascara brush, and you just put it through your hair and it gets rid of all your flyaways on your hair. I'll be interested in trying this out against the Slick Stick, because I really do love the Slick Stick, and the Slick Stick I can use and not have to worry about washing my hair the next day because it still brushes through really nicely. So I'll be interested in seeing how this one holds up in my hair, and you know, the comparison between the Slick Stick and this one. So this next one, I can smell it from here. So this is from In Essence, and it is a sleeping mist. So it retails for $29.95 Australian and is from inessence.com.au. But basically it's a sleeping mist. It comes like this. So it does have a little spray on top. It is all oily on the outside, but it is a calming blend of lavender, mandarin, Roman chamomile and valerian. 100% pure essential oils traditionally used in aromatherapy to help relieve sleeplessness. So you can use that in your room or on your body. It says that it's for the temporary relief of symptoms associated with sleeplessness, including fatigue, nervous tension, stress and mild anxiety. So it sounds good. It does have an expiry of Feb 2022 though, so we've only got like basically a month to use it. But it is an essential oil. I don't think essential oils really actually expire like that. But I'm interested in trying it out and seeing what I think of it. It definitely smells of lavender. I can smell it throughout this whole box. The second last product that I have here in the premium box is from the Balm Cosmetics, and it is the Appetite Eyeshadow Palette. So this retails for $39.95 Australian and is available from thebalm.com. So it just comes like this, and on the other side, this is what these shades look like. So it says Eat Your Heart Out. So I have actually seen this palette in store, and whilst it is absolutely stunning, I don't think it is a palette that I will reach for very often, and I'm having to be a bit more picky about what I keep because I do not have the room to keep every single palette that I get. And this one is a bit more, you know, like neutral colours. It does have an orange and a green in there, yes, but a lot of it is quite more neutral colours, and I tend to go for a lot more brighter colours. So I think I'm going to pop this in a giveaway for one of you guys, and I think you guys will really like this, and this will be good for someone whether they like neutrals or if they just want to tip their toes into some colour. I think that would be really, really nice. So the lucky last product in the premium box is from Symbiosis London. It is an overnight rejuvenating eye serum. It says that it harnesses the extraordinary power of glycolic acid, RNA and mica. Symbiosis Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. It is available from symbiosis-skincare.com. However, the retail price of this, just make sure you're sitting down for this. It is $188 for this tiny little tube. This tube is tiny. There is 15 mils in this. $188 for 15 mils. No, absolutely not. I would never ever pay $188 for a tube this big. Unless you are de-aging me, you're making me look like as though I'm 15 again. Sure. Not for reducing the fine lines and wrinkles, no. $188. So I can't even use this because, as I said, I am very sensitive and a lot of skincare does not work for me. So this box has also been a big disappointment for me this month, unfortunately. I have barely kept anything. And the fact that the main product in the premium box, again, is another skincare product when I am a makeup lover, not a skincare lover. And I have ticked that option where I want makeup, not skincare. I'm actually super disappointed this month. I really am. Lumibox normally excites me quite a bit. I normally get very, very excited. And this month I just feel disappointment. I honestly thought, you know, that they would start off this year with a bang. But we haven't. And I hope next month is better. I'm not actually going to be doing any try on parts for you in this month's video because I'm not keeping anything to be able to try for you guys. So I am quite disappointed in these products. I just hope that this was an off month and I hope next month is going to be better. But let's add up the total of this box. So for the premium box, I paid 99 Australian dollars for it and the contents came to $341.85. So again, yes, that is an amazing value for money, but for myself, it wasn't. The fact that both boxes were quite heavy in skincare was a bit disappointing, and the fact that I really haven't kept anything. I mean, the eyeshadow palette is beautiful. I would be excited about this if it was full of colors, and I know not everyone is a color person, so we have to get some neutral eyeshadows, and that is completely fine. I'm quite happy to get this because I can give this to you guys in a giveaway. But the eye serum, the sleeping mist, not really too happy about those. The hairstyling wand, yeah, I'll give it a try, but we have also had one of these brands already in the past, so it's not something, you know, like super new to Lumibox. The eyelashes, MCO Beauty isn't a brand that I would normally purchase from, so I don't know how I feel about these. I mean, these will be good for like a beginner or someone like that. But for someone like myself, I don't think these are great to receive. And the lipstick pencil, I think that's really good as well. That's not on Lumibox at all. I would have loved to get this if I didn't have all the lip products that I do have. But I do have a full drawer full of lip products already, so I don't need any more lip products. But I'm okay with getting this because I can give this away to you guys in a future giveaway. So these two products I am completely happy with. And then from the base box, I'm also happy with the other, you know, lip pencil. But everything else was just sort of disappointing. And I don't think I've ever felt this disappointed with a Lumibox before. I was expecting, you know, massive, amazing things to start January off or 2022 off with a bang. And yeah, it was pretty disappointing opening this month. So I hope I don't offend Lumibox. I don't mean any offense to you guys. If you would like to try Lumibox out yourself, I do have an affiliate code with them, so I do make a small amount of commission. So if you don't want to use my code, that is completely fine. But if you do, my code is PureLottie10 and that will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!